Exploring the popularity of online business. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and information for aspiring entrepreneurs. In today's video, we'll explore the reasons why so many people are drawn to the idea of doing business online. The popularity of online business has skyrocketed in recent years, and we are here to uncover why. The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and connect with others. Let's dive into the reasons why everyone seems to want to do business online. Reason 1. Global reach and unlimited potential. One of the primary reasons people are drawn to online business is the opportunity for global reach and unlimited potential. The internet allows entrepreneurs to connect with customers from all over the world, breaking down geographical barriers and expanding their market exponentially. Online businesses can operate 24/7, reaching customers at any time and in any location. The ability to tap into a vast pool of potential customers and scale a business beyond traditional boundaries is a compelling reason why many are attracted to online business. Reason 2. Lower startup costs and accessibility. Another appealing aspect of online business is the lower startup costs and accessibility it offers. Compared to offline businesses, starting an online business typically requires less initial investment. With minimal overhead costs, entrepreneurs can focus their resources on product development, marketing, and customer acquisition. The accessibility of online business is also a significant factor. Anyone with an internet connection and basic technology, such as a computer or smartphone, can start an online business. This democratization of entrepreneurship has opened doors for individuals from diverse backgrounds and locations to pursue their business dreams. Reason 3. Flexibility and work-life balance. Online business provides flexibility and the potential for a better work-life balance. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, online businesses offer entrepreneurs the freedom to work from anywhere and at their preferred time. This flexibility allows individuals to design their work schedule around personal commitments, family, or other passions. Online business also enables automation and scalability, which can further contribute to a better work-life balance. With the right systems and tools in place, entrepreneurs can streamline operations, delegate tasks, and focus on high-value activities that drive business growth. Reason 4. Vast range of business models. The online world offers a vast range of business models and opportunities. Whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, digital products, or online services, there are countless avenues for individuals to explore and find their niche. The diversity of online business models allows entrepreneurs to align their passion, skills, and interests with a profitable venture. Conclusion. The allure of online business is undeniable, with its global reach, lower startup costs, accessibility, flexibility, and vast range of business models. The internet has created a level playing field, enabling individuals from all walks of life to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams and build successful online businesses. However, it's important to note that online business still requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. Success doesn't come overnight, but with the right strategies and commitment, the possibilities are endless. That concludes today's video. We hope you found this exploration of the popularity of online business informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy business building in the online world.